Hey everybody, welcome to Storm Talk. This is Wave 3 News meteorologist Brian Good. I'm going to cover the system coming through now, with the clouds and the rain and the showers, and then we'll talk a little bit more about that Friday system that everyone's concerned about, especially when it comes to all the graduations we have coming our way. First off, it's cloudy. It's a good nap day today. The temperature's right now in the 50s, 54 here in Louisville, barely hitting 50 though in Shelbyville, and in fact many locations in the same boats. Lots of clouds and passing showers. We've had even a couple of reports of some cold air funnels across Indiana. We were talking about this about a week or so ago, if you remember, but these are very weak funnels, clouds that show up. Very rarely do they ever touch down as full-on tornadoes. But these are just little columns of rotating air that can develop, and they take the shape of the funnel. And they usually are found when anytime you have a lot of cold air involved in the upper layers of the atmosphere when it's the sun angle is pretty high like that. So not uncommon, but again, mainly to the north it looks like for that chance. But here locally, just passing showers, the clouds will hold tough. Now there is another wave of energy back here to the west we'll be monitoring as we head into the evening and early overnight period. You can see the rain increasing across portions of Missouri. We'll see that wave work its way to the east through the evening time period. Here is one of the high-res models showing that. Again, scattered showers through 7, 8 o'clock, mainly to the north of Louisville, and then we'll see that impulse really kick in the low-level jet later on tonight, and we'll have more of a steady rainfall across central Kentucky, maybe some moderate rain, can't rule that out. Nothing severe, and I really don't see lightning with this, so just a general heavy rain in central Kentucky later this evening. And then that wave will fade out, but tomorrow, you got to stress, to get the clouds to break up with that northerly flow. Anytime you get cold air trapped like this in the upper layers of the atmosphere, you can, or even mid layers, you can get a good cloud deck to form, and it'd be hard to break up, and that could be the case for Wednesday. So Wednesday's high near 70 will be highly dependent on how quickly we get into that sunny period. Now the model is showing a lot of green here, little specks. Sometimes the model has a tendency to read cumulus clouds as showers because they have a good moisture content to them. So there's a possibility of an isolated shower Wednesday afternoon, but I really think it's more of an issue of just a lot of cumulus clouds mixed in with the sun. A little breezy too as we head into Wednesday afternoon. So improving weather tomorrow compared to what we've seen today. And then cool air back into the mid-40s in many locations early on Thursday, and then we're going to warm up all the way through midday Thursday to the mid-60s, and then we'll keep going into the 70s in the afternoon. So Thursday still looks to be the pick of the week. All right, we look at the Chef ensembles. It shows the rain chance dropping slightly this evening, and then you see a spike later this evening toward midnight. We were talking about that. Then it drops off around sunrise. We're quiet Thursday. We're quiet into Friday morning, and then Friday afternoon and evening, the rain chance spikes again. Here's the Canadian model. It's that area of low pressure that is moving across the southern states. Still looks to be an mainly an I-40 to I-20 type of storm. It looks like tracking to the east. Across the southeast corner of the country. Any severe weather, it looks like now, it's going to be mainly limited to Alabama and Georgia, probably Atlanta, if not even south of that. For us, rain, maybe some thunder initially on Friday as it moves on by. Now, the GFS model is a little more aggressive, bringing it here by midday on Friday into the afternoon with a period of heavy rain, especially for central and eastern Kentucky. Heavy rain is something we'll be watching carefully with that system. Now, as we into Saturday, it is the GFS says the low is going to be progressive enough to move it to the mid-Atlantic. Maybe some backlash clouds and showers, mainly east of 65 Saturday afternoon. If that holds true, the weekend doesn't look too bad. The Canadian model, a little slower with getting it into the mid-Atlantic, and we got more of the deformation zone, the northwest corner of it, still with some clouds and a passing shower Saturday afternoon. Now, I will say that the NAO, the North Atlantic Oscillation, is neutral to negative for this weekend, which means that this system more than likely is going to be slow moving to get out. So the speed of this is still going to be key on how the weekend plays out. We will still likely keep our rain chances in the forecast for at least Saturday. Probably can take them out Sunday. I see enough progression to probably remove them from Sunday's forecast, but at least Saturday the rain chance will have to remain for now, and hopefully we'll get a better, clearer picture of this as we get closer. All right, looking longer term here, we know with the jet has been taking a lot of dips for the past several weeks in the eastern part of the country. It's why it's been chilly at times, showery, thunderstorms every now and then passing through. I still am seeing signs as we head toward the end of May and especially June. Now, this model idea here has got May 27th with warmer air, but I will say this, June is showing up the new long-term data that came out last night and early this morning, indicating that June could be a very warm month for the eastern part of the country, including our area. So we could see temperatures perhaps hitting 90 before long. So hopefully that'll warm you up on this cool and cloudy day. All right, I'll see you on TV.